In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make images in Google Slides transparent. This is a fantastic trick if you're aiming to create more polished and professional presentations. So grab your coffee and let's dive into the simple steps to achieving this effect. To start off, you're going to need to sign into your Google Drive. It's straightforward, simply type in your email and password, then click Next. Make sure you're entering your credentials correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you're logged in and have your Google Slides presentation open, navigate to the specific slide that contains the image you want to make transparent. If you're following along, choose the slide now. Next, we'll get to the part where the magic happens. Find the image on your slide that you wish to adjust. Take your time to select the right one. Right-click on this image to bring up a context menu full of options tailored for image manipulation. In the menu that appears, look for the Format options. It might seem like just another option, but this is your gateway to enhancing your image's appearance in myriad ways, including making it transparent. Once you click on Format options, a new pane will appear on the side of your screen. Here you're looking for the Adjustments section. Click on it and you'll see several sliders appear, including brightness, contrast, and of course opacity, which is our main focus today. To achieve transparency, we'll be adjusting the opacity. Drag the opacity slider down to decrease the image's opacity and increase its transparency. It's thrilling to see how the image begins to blend with the slide's background or any underlying text or graphics. Adjust this slider until you reach your desired level of transparency. This tool allows you to customize your images to fit perfectly within your presentation's theme or to highlight information more effectively. Remember, making an image transparent can significantly enhance the aesthetic appeal of your slide, allowing for a more sophisticated design. Play around with this feature to see how it can best serve the purpose of your presentation. And just like that, you've learned how to make images in Google Slides transparent. It's amazing how a few simple adjustments can transform the look and feel of your presentation, isn't it? Feel free to experiment with different images and opacity levels to see how they impact your slide's overall design. Thank you for joining me in today's lesson. I hope you found these tips helpful and that you're now more confident in customizing your presentations to make them even more engaging and visually appealing. Keep practicing and don't forget to save your work.